God's glory, true story. Got 40/40s, put you to sleep like 40 stories. Ain't no souls no more, but the guns, homie. No coward, I got honor, I'm a judge, homie. Live a dangerous life, I can't depart from it. Let my blood mix with sand like Spartacus. I'm like a Hollywood star, nominate me. Too hard for y'all, you can't dominate me. I ain't fighting no more, this boy pop hollows and leave them red like the bull on the beer bottle. Cats talk shit, that cause a lot of headaches. My bar game up like I mess with calisthenics. Arms like Popeye, take it, I'm Brutus. I chew this cat like dogs chew sticks. I'm a nut off the walls like a radiator, quick to get the scene, more bloodier than Gladiator. Inhale gun smoke, sniff up gunpowder, put a shell on your back like you Bowser. Got a whole team, who do you face? Gorilla army like the planet of the apes. Go ahead and try to get your monkey on and get hit with that barrel like Donkey Kong. Yeah boy, I'm from a planet full of fights, stay evolving like maggots in the flies. Got my gun, you better run, cause I bust clips. I'm like a 1-minute man the way I bust quick. And when this man squeeze, I make a man bleed. Running into nothing but trouble like John Candy. Play gorilla, bring out King Kong, gas sing lullaby.